Next team, kindly share your screen and introduce yourself. Hello, Mahnur. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, team. Converse. Hello.
Hello, sir. Kindly add our team members as well.
Uh, आपके टीम मेंबर ऐड हो गई हैं। अनिका फातिमा,
लाइबा कैसे भी होंगी?
वो लेफ्ट कर गई है।
अब आप कंटिन्यू करें, जितनी देर में वो आ जाती
अब
है।
इंट्रोड्यूस करें।
लाइव आप स्टार्ट करें, इतनी देर में वो आ जाती हैं। आप स्टार्ट कीजिए।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर, वो प्रेजेंटेशन जो है वो उसने शो करनी थी, इसलिए हम उसका वेट कर रहे हैं। बस आप 1 मिनट हमें दे दें, वो आ रही है।
जी ठीक है।
इन द मीनवाइल आप अपने प्रोजेक्ट का नाम और यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम बता दीजिए।
Our project is Conversational Smart Guide for Visually Impaired People, and our university is University of Engineering and Technology, Lahore.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
I'm audible to you.
Just a minute.
कुछ
Good evening, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Please carry on.
Good evening, everyone. This is Laiba Kessar from University of Engineering and Technology, Pakistan. Our idea is Vision X, which is a conversational smart Android application for visually impaired people. Almost all of us have seen a blind person in our lives. But the question arises, was she a Helen Keller? Definitely no, she was not a Helen Keller. Not everyone is like her, who make their disabilities their strength. But yes, with a little effort, we can turn each rough stone into a glittering diamond. So why not? Our mission is to provide artificial sight to such people. Alone we can do little. Together we can do so much. We are working as a team. Our team includes Mahnur Salahuddin, Maliha Khalid, Anika Fatma and myself, Laiba Kaisar. Our team believes that many small people in small areas doing small things can change the world. Since our idea is about solving the problems visually impaired community face on daily basis, let us analyze those issues. The number one is they are unable to get information about their surroundings, especially in crowded areas. They have to be socially dependent on the people around them for daily activities such as finding objects. And the main reason is there is no real-time app that solves the discussed issue. We are providing a real-time smart application that is easy to use, is accurate, and can voice chat with the user. There are 1 billion people who are visually impaired, out of which 39 million who are completely blind. As for our country, there are 21.8 million Pakistanis who suffer from visual impaired at some point in our life. Our idea is to provide artificial vision to the visually impaired community using computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. I will show you our concept video at the end of the presentation. Our application will have the following modules: face detection, face recognition, and object detections. Some NLG modules are working on the back end that helps our application to communicate with the user. This is the demo of the face detection. In the first phase of our project, we developed a simple desktop application, the demo of which is being displayed. In the second phase, we have created the API of the modules, which were 80 to 90% accurate in Flask, and then integrated it with Microsoft Mobile and services. Some of our members are working on the prototype of Android application, and some are working on to improve the accuracy of the remaining modules. Inshallah, we will shift our application to Android by the end of this month. This is the demo of face recognition, and this is the demo of facial expression. Our business model includes the key partners, key activities, and customer segmentation. Our key partners are NGOs that are working for the blind communities and the government funds. Our key activities are problem solving and finding the solution for the existing problem of 21.2 million people. The customers are a blind community, elder people, people who speak English, and people with the mild and high visual impairment. Currently, we are not working on the hardware. Our project is totally software based. The overall cost is approximately 1,30,000, and individual costs are mentioned in the tables of Android mobile, depth camera, and some cloud credits, and some printing and binding cost. This is our concept. Thank you so much.
In the video, I saw that the person was using a smartphone. How was he able to use a smartphone when he's blind? Secondly, was he speaking? Giving speech instructions that what is going on around me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. The application is totally voice-based. It will be totally voice-based, so that user will easily be able to give commands to the application and can chat with the application, and application will find the intent of the user and will answer accordingly, or perform the task, relevant task accordingly.
And how many objects can they detect at the moment? So for example, the scenario you presented, there were only 4 people outdoor. However, in the real-time scenario, there are a lot of people or a lot of objects around you. So how are you managing that?
So the modules we have completed so far are able to detect at least 20 people. We are currently working on improving the accuracy of the system. 2 of our teammates are working on the research of improving the accuracy, while other 2 are making the Android application.
Okay, this was the animated video. Do you have any live working of your application, as in some kind of demo of your own working?
Yes, ma'am. We have presented the demo of face recognition, scene recognition in our slides. Laiba, can you show the slide? This is the prototype of our
Okay, I
model.
will show.
Okay. So this is the prototype of our model of all our modules. We were working on integrating all the modules together. So this is the scene recognition. So whenever checkbox is clicked, the scene recognition takes place and is able to detect the scene around.
May I show the face recognition? Yes, this is.
So any of the module, Laiba?
This is face recognition. Person is entering a name and
The person is being registered first in our application by typing the name, and then the application is able to detect the face of the person by firstly saving the picture of the person and name as well, and then showing the result.
and this is the demo of facial expression. Some demos are not present because due to some accuracy issues.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, team. So we move on our next team. Hello, Saifur Rahman, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I'm
Okay.
audible to you.
Yes. Kindly share your screen and introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Saifur Rahman. I am a fourth year student of Electrical Engineering, University of Central Punjab in Lahore campus. Is my screen available to you?
Yes.
So let me start. So my project name is Implementation of Walking Aid for Visually Impaired People on Accelerated Systems. So our advisor is Dr. Salan Arif, and my group members are Saifur Rahman, Hadi Hussain, and Rashid Razak. So introduction. So visually impaired people have a lot of problems from moving from one location to the other. So we want to solve their mobilizations problem, and we will be able to send their GPS location to the other person who they trust, and it would be a social entrepreneurship project. And so our objective is to implement an SSD mobile net algorithm for computer vision, which will be able to detect object detection, facial recognition to the obstacles and the front peoples. And we will be implementing this on accelerated system NVIDIA Jetson Nano developer board, and it will have the hurdle notification system. So this is our block diagram. So we are using NVIDIA Jetson Nano, which has GPU 128 core of Maxwell architecture and CPU of ARM core of 1.4 gigahertz. So we will be using speaker buzzer ultrasonic sensor for object detection, and it will announce that if there is a object or the person, it will be able to output the voice from the speaker, and camera would be sensing the images, and SSD mobile net would be detecting what is the person or object in front of it. And for location sharing, we will be able to send the location through GPS and the GSM, and we will be connecting internet through the user mobile using the Wi-Fi or card dongle. So our success criteria of the project is facial recognition and object detection with real-time and hurdle detection avoidance and location sharing. And the total cost of the project is around 40,000 rupees. The main cost is the NVIDIA Jetson Nano, which is about 24,899. So that's the main cost, and also the main cost is about camera of V2 module of Raspberry Pi. So till now we have able to train the model. So this is the hardware. Till now we were able to train the model with 4 classes, and the accuracy is about 96.9%, which we will be able to train more with more epoch, and we will be able to improve the accuracy. So till now we are able to do that, and in the following semester we will be able to assemble it and attach all the components and make a portable system to attach it into a walking aid. So that's our project. Any questions I would be able to answer to you.
Do you have any demo video for this project?
Ma'am, we don't have any video because before tomorrow yesterday it was my paper, so I had very low time to prepare for that, so that's why my team members are also not here because of that.
In how much time span you think you can complete this project?
Till now we have trained the model, just we have to assemble it, and for location sharing the code would be we will be having a script of Python, so it will take around 5 to 6 weeks more to complete this project, and we will be able to, if we have to deploy it into the cloud of Azure using federated learning. Our advisor is saying to implement the federated learning to make use of training. So that would be the time span.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, team. So we move on our judges. हम एक जनरल सा क्वेश्चन है कि इमेजिन कप में 4 कैटेगरीज हैं. 4 कैटेगरीज पे स्टूडेंट्स के प्रोजेक्ट्स फॉलो कर रहे हैं: एजुकेशन, लाइफस्टाइल, हेल्थ एंड अर्थ. सो जजेस, आप रिव्यू दें, अभी तक आपको किस कैटेगरी में मैक्सिमम बेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स आपको मिले हैं, तो और बाकी में क्या क्या इश्यूज आपको, मेजर इश्यूज आपको क्या लगे?
मेनली जो प्रोजेक्ट्स हमारे पास थे वो हेल्थ की कैटेगरी में फॉल करते हैं. जो हम डेफिशिएंसी देख रहे हैं अर्थ कैटेगरी पे अभी बहुत कम प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं. दे कैन एक्चुअली गो फॉर दिस कैटेगरी. प्रॉब्ली दे कैन सजेस्ट ऑन रिबिन साइकिल्स जैसे हैं, उस तरह से गार्बेज है, कोविड-19 का वेस्ट है, हाउ वी गोना डीकम्पोज दैट वेस्ट. क्योंकि इस कोविड में ही आपके पास जितना वेस्ट एक दिन में जनरेट होता है विद ड्यू टू द पीपीई मटेरियल या ग्लव्स हैं या मास्क हैं आपके, उसकी वजह से जितना आपका वेस्ट इसमें जनरेट हो रहा है ऑन द डेली बेसिस, उसको भी मैनेज करना एक गवर्नमेंट के लिए इशू है. बाकी आप देखें एजुकेशन में हमारे पास काफ़ी सॉल्यूशंस और प्रोजेक्ट्स आए हैं, हेल्थ में काफ़ी आए हैं. लाइफस्टाइल और अर्थ 2 ऐसी कैटेगरीज हैं जिसमें अभी हमारे पास प्रोजेक्ट्स की तादाद कम है.
ओके, सो एनी अदर जज?
आई कम्प्लीटली एग्री विद डॉक्टर सदफ. लाइफस्टाइल में भी अर्थ, जैसे उन्होंने बात की कि अर्थ में कम प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं. अर्थ में फिर भी हमारे पास 1-2 प्रोजेक्ट्स आए थे, लेकिन लाइफस्टाइल रिलेटेड आप कह लें कि उसमें बिल्कुल भी नहीं आ रहे. मोस्टली बच्चों का फोकस यही है डिटेक्शन और IoT बेस्ड प्रोजेक्ट्स. सो वी लुक फॉरवर्ड टू हैविंग समथिंग इन द लाइफस्टाइल सेगमेंट.
रिव्यू दें कि या कुछ ऐसी सजेशन दें कि स्टूडेंट्स किस तरह के प्रोजेक्ट्स ला सकते हैं, मतलब एक कुछ ऐसा आइडिया कि जो हमें एक जनरल सा हो कि ताकि स्टूडेंट्स को हेल्प मिल सके कि वो लाइफस्टाइल पे भी प्रोजेक्ट्स कर सकें.
लाइफस्टाइल पे बेसिकली जैसे हमारे पास अभी ऑलरेडी बहुत ज़्यादा इनोवेटिव एप्लीकेशंस हमारे पास आ रही हैं. लाइफस्टाइल में दे कैन आइडेंटिफाई द डेली लाइफ प्रॉब्लम्स के. जैसे येस्टरडे आई वाज लुकिंग एट अ वीडियो जिसमें वो एक ग्रीन वेस्ट को कन्वर्ट करने का तरीका बता रही थी घर में. तो मतलब उस तरीके से भी हम अपना लाइफस्टाइल इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं, हम अपने आप को कैसे फैसिलिटेट कर सकते हैं, किस तरह हम अपनी ज़िंदगी आसान बना सकते हैं. तो इस टाइप की काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जो कि हम अपनी इनोवेटिव आइडियाज के साथ सॉल्व कर सकते हैं डेली लाइफ की.
इवन के इसमें फीमेल्स भी ज़्यादा प्रोजेक्ट्स कर सकते हैं.
एग्जैक्टली.
ओके, थैंक यू. सो हम एक शॉर्ट ब्रेक ले रहे हैं. सो पार्टिसिपेंट स्टे ऑन विद अस एंड ज्वाइन विद अस आफ्टर ब्रेक.